It is another festive year for the nation Ghana as we are celebrating the 67th Independence Day, and we are blessed to have it in Eastern region for the first time. And as it has come into the region, we are blessed also to have people from All Nation University who are now doing the EMT program also coming in to partake in such an occasion. The All Nation EMT department are here today and they have benefited a lot because we've started teaching them the various collaborations that happens in the medical field, and they are seeing it all on play as we have the people from St. John's Ambulance, the Red Cross, and also the National Ambulance Service come together, put things together on the field, bring patients out, get patients to the various hospitals where we have the doctors and nurses to give the various medical care. And if they are able to discharge the patient, they go back. If not, we transfer patient to the hospital. So this has given the students what we are teaching them in the classroom, more of an eye-opener, more of a practical event, more of getting what we do, thinking outside the box when situations happen. How do you care for these very emergencies? And this has really helped the family of the All Nation School, which are reading the emergency medical technician course, and they are very blessed. They didn't come alone, they came with their nurses, to which they have also learnt a lot of medications as well as thinking outside a bit or thinking off their feet to give some emergency care. In a nutshell, we give credence to Prof for a great job for organizing this very event for the people of All Nations, for them to come here to witness this very Eve program, which is the maiden one in Eastern region. And we say All Nations kudos, and students of All Nations, we also say you've done well. We also invite anybody who is watching this video and want to be part of the program should come on board, see the authorities, and then get themselves enrolled. Together we build the nation, together we build the health department. The good Lord be with us in this 67th anniversary. I am Echampon Pakwesi. Thank you.